I myself like the climate of New York. I see it in the air up between the street. You use a worn-down cafeteria fork, but the air you don't use stays fresh and neat. Even we people who walk about in it, we have to submit to wear too. Get muddy. Air keeps changing, but the nose ceases to fit, and sleekness is used up, and the end's shoddy. Monday, you're down. Tuesday, dying seems a fuss. The night out looks new in the weather's motion. The skies in the streets, with the trucks and us, stands a while, then lifts across land and ocean. We can take it for granted that here we're home. In our record climate, I'll look pleased or glum.